everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an updated project pan, and we're going to jump right in. The LA Colors Glam Lip Mask, and I have made some dent in this. I'm pretty happy about, especially from the last update. It does look different. The NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin. And in this time, I feel you can definitely see some new progress. And here, there's no product at all. So that is a new improvement. Almost done with this product. The mascara from Temu, the She Does Peach Volume Mascara. This is like a dupe for the Lash Blast. It's still in the running. Let's do some sprays. Hard Candy Primer Spray. I haven't really used this at all. And there is our mark. It is the same as last time because I haven't used it. I haven't used my eyeshadows wet. So I've not been using this. So we're still there. But I mean, you know, it's almost gone. The other mist I have in the project pan is the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow. This stuff's actually really good. And I do have a new mark there. I'm happy with the progress on this, considering it is like a dewy kind of shimmery face mist. So I don't use it a ton, but I will finish this product this year. You watch and see. The I Love Revolution Peach Scented Baking Powder from Makeup Revolution. There's not been much progress on this product, and it's hard to tell with powders in general, so it's still about halfway done. I have two face primers. The first one is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I think there's just a little bit of progress in this particular one. It's not a whole lot. I'm actually working on the other one more because it's closer to being done. And then we'll really be working on this one. But there is definitely a little bit more pan showing from the last update. The NYX Marshmallow Primer. So this product actually goes up. So this is our new mark here. So a few more uses, and this is going to be on its way out. I'm really happy about that. This primer smells so good too. Milani Rose Face Oil. I finally was able to put a new mark in this product, and I am so happy about it because once again, it's an oil. You only need a little at a time. And sometimes I forget to use this product, honestly. There's our new mark. CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. New mark there. Even though you can't see completely through the container, when I shine the flashlight through, it's about right here. So this product is definitely on its way out as well. And because we're so close to being done with a lot of these products, I am going to throw in new products today too. And the Rimmel Kate Blush Contour and Highlight Palette in Coral Glow. I think there's a little bit of progress there. Not much because I've been using other things. I did get some new products, so I have been using other things. But such a beautiful blush for every day. Now, I will say again that if this does start to completely break and shatter in the pan, I'm not fixing it. It will just be out because you can see some cracks kind of there. Such a pretty blush. And then the LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. Yeah, so we've only been working on the highlighter. And there has been some definite change in that pan. I'm super duper happy with the progress we're making on this highlighter. It's really pretty. Yeah, I'm just going to continue to work on it. Making good progress. Products that I've used up. The Benefit Roller Lash. It's not performing like it used to. There's barely any product coming out. It's done. Stick a fork in it, it's done. The little lip oil, peach lip oil from Temu. This product was nice. It's thinner than a normal lip oil. It's more like on the lip gloss side, to be honest. It smells like grapes, and I can no longer reach the product that's left in there with the little applicator. I've tried time and time again. I can't get anything else out of this, so we're just gonna say bye. That's where the new mark is. Yeah, I mean, for the price, I probably would purchase this again, but it's not like a true lip oil, in my opinion. Well, moving on to the new products. Add 5 more products. So the first one is the AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner and Seize the Day. I actually really love this eyeliner. There's not much left. I used about half the pencil. This eyeliner is really good, but about halfway through it, sharpening it just makes the liner crumble. And honestly, I'm going to try to use this up the best I can and get it out of the collection. So, and it's such a good eyeliner. But see, it just breaks off when I sharpen it. You can see that? Anyways, we're going to try. We're going to try to use it up. And this little eyeliner, I don't know what brand this is from. I've sharpened it off. But it's a little nude eyeliner from the Dollar General. This thing is really good in pigmented nude eyeliner, so I'm just going to try to use this one up because I have a lot of nude eyeliners. A lip oil from LA Colors. This is in Honey Bun, and I've decided that I'm going to start using it up. And there's our mark. This has like little gold flecks in it. It smells amazing. It performs amazing. So overall, it's really good. So I'm adding that in. I'm going to add in this, even though I love this. This is one of my holy grail kind of products, but the pan is showing, so we're just going to continue on with it, and I'll just repurchase if I can find it. Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. I absolutely love this. 16-hour powder. I love this powder. So there's where we are. And I'm just going to work on finishing up and we'll get a new compact. And then the last product I want to add in today is the W7 Bronze Brilliance Bronze and Glow. And I'm only going to be working on really one of the products in this. I love this bronzer. It's a great formula. It's pigmented, it's smooth, easy application kind of bronzer. It matches my skin tone really well. Now, 2 of the highlighter things are too dark for me. I can use this one. You know, we're going to kind of dip into these 2, but I'm not panning any of the others. Once the bronzer's done, my plan is to go ahead and declutter this. W7 has some really good products. Yeah, beautiful palette. I got this at Five Below. That is all for Project Pan today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.